Hi guys! Today we will talk about the TikTok, and it's one of the most popular effects like crying face filter. So guys, if you want to activate such a cool effect on your TikTok, let's check and watch our guide to the very end. So, the first step you need to do is to open your TikTok app and click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Later, you need to pick on this effects option at the bottom, and if you don't have this special and very funny effect on the list, you need to pick on the search option at the bar. Click on the search bar and set the crying loss text here. Let's search for it, and you need to activate this effect. Guys, I hope that you definitely will like this video and you will create very cool trends on TikTok. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and tricks about the TikTok app and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!